Broccoli is a rich source of multiple vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Different cooking methods may affect the vegetable's nutrient composition. Broccoli contains multiple potent antioxidants that may support healthy cells and tissues throughout your body. Eating broccoli may lower blood sugar and improve diabetic control. This is likely related to its antioxidant and fiber content. Research indicates that broccoli may help reduce various heart disease risk factors and prevent heart tissue damage. Eating broccoli may support bowel regularity and healthy gut bacteria, though more research is needed. Many of the nutrients in broccoli, including calcium, vitamin K, and phosphorus, are necessary for maintaining healthy bones. Additionally, early research indicates that certain antioxidants in broccoli may prevent some joint disorders.